Welcome to Digital Partypreneur, where we turn creativity into cash.
All right, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to come into Canva and open up an Instagram post. Once you're inside Canva and you have your Instagram post set up, then you want to come over and you want to click Uploads, and you want to upload the image that you want to mock up. So for example, we are going to use this one. Now you cannot use Canva Pro images to do this. You have to have your own. If you need some, I do have some linked in the description below that you can access, and on there I have over 50 plus different Canvas mockup bundles that you can use. Alright, so once you have your image in, you're going to come over and you're going to scroll through and look for apps. Once you find apps, you're going to click on it and you're going to type mockups in the search bar. You're going to click on this button here that says mockups. And we're going to click custom, create a mockup template. Once you click it, it's going to start to generate the mockup of the image that you have on there. It takes a few seconds. And then once it's done, it's going to have four different options for you to choose from, and you're going to pick the best looking one. So from looking at this, the first image looks like it's good to go. You're going to click confirm. And then once you click confirm, it's going to come over and it's going to replace the image that you have there. And there you have it. You have your mock-up done within less than a minute. And then the way you drop and drag your images in, you come back over and you upload the image that you want to put in. So let's find an image to put in. I'm going to put in these flowers and I'm just going to drag and drop. And there you have it. And that is how you create a Canva frame mockup.
If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching.